Aloha. It was beautiful seeing you all on, on that call today, and I am now in the house. I just wanted you to see how beautiful this front entrance is. This is interior space. Looking at the doors, they look awesome. Anyway, we're gonna do the tour again and see where we're at today. So here is bedroom one, we call that. There's everything is all stubbed in for the AC units. They will pop those on. They're all wired in the wall, and the condensing units are outside. So that will all happen very quickly. Door in place. Door hasn't been finished yet, but we have sink and cabinet installed in this bathroom, and the tile work is completed. The fixture, the shower fixture, those have not been done, but the pan is in. Toilet not installed yet. Simple, simple. Okay, we're walking across the hall to the other bedroom, identical. Same again, AC stubbed in, wiring in the walls, ready to go. Here is that bathroom, cabinet in, sink not. This bathroom has not been tiled yet, but it's all been sealed and ready for the pan is in. So going back out. Kitchen, great room. The vent, there is the venting that's going to be to the outside. Maybe that wasn't installed last time we were here. It's where the refrigerator goes. This will vent the stove and oven to the outside. And that's where that stove and oven that is on site is going to go. The farm sink is in. I think that was in last time. Dishwasher goes there. Cabinets look great. Okay, walking across to this bedroom and bathroom. We'll see what's happening in there. Again, AC unit stubbed in, wiring in the walls. This bathroom shower has been tiled. A little bit of work left to do there, but progress nonetheless. Cabinet is in, sink has not been installed yet. Toilet not installed. Going to last bedroom. Again, AC unit stubbed in, wiring in the walls. No light fixtures installed yet. Partially done tile in this bathroom, so progress is being made. There is the cabinet. Sink has not yet been installed. Doors are in. It's looking really, really nice though. I am encouraged and happy that I can share this video with you. So here's the giant, there's glass doors that are there. I believe they're already installed. Yes, they are. They're beautiful. Like beautiful, beautiful, easy Fleetwood sliders. Really nice. Go across this whole lanai, which is a workspace at this time. There is a storage closet there. Here is the closet for the washer and dryer. And then there is another storage closet there. There are screens and doors. Looks like closet doors on site. Oh, those may be doors for here. Just waiting to be installed. Washer and dryer is here on site. Sounds like we have guests next door. Guests in house. There's some more of the tiles for the bathroom. Here is the dryer. There's the refrigerator, all on site. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to walk over to the garage without falling down. So, guests staying in the beautiful existing house. There they are. Okay, here we are in the garage, new garage. Doors and drywall in place. There's all the ceiling fans for the house. And here's the dishwasher. And I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, that must be the stove and oven for the main house. Okay, so there is the 2-car garage portion that will all be finished out with drywall, and then as you come out of this garage into this space, there will be a door here, and this is in fact a studio space. Sliding glass doors will go there. Little downstairs living area. There's the upstairs, which we will go up there. It's a loft. Here is the bathroom in the new garage. So there is an outdoor shower that can be redirected in here if and when that wants to happen. Here is the stub in for the toilet and sink in this bathroom. I will take you upstairs. And here is the upstairs loft space. Has 2 skylights. This can all be finished however the property owner would like it finished. Whatever they decide to do here. Whoever those people are. We'll go downstairs again. I'll walk you around the outside of the building. And there are some of the plumbing fixtures. Looks like toilets and sinks over there. This is where the big slider will go. That will be a view to this little yard, actually a nice size yard here. And then back around this side is where the outdoor shower, there's the plumbing for that, which can be redirected in, as we discussed. Garage doors have been ordered and paid for. They're here. So that's it. I'm going to talk to Mike now, and I'll be in touch. And see Ken tomorrow. Aloha.